Why does it seem at times that odor from some food waste compost facility is actually worse at some distance from the facility? The answer is in the air. In the last video, we described how odor travels with the hot, moist air leaving the compost facility. Another factor is that some of the odor from the nastiest compounds, including butyric and valeric acids, changes with pH. Let's explain why that's important. Let's consider butyric acid specifically, although valeric acid behaves in almost exactly the same way. At a pH of almost 4, 50% of butyric acid is in its volatile form, which is also soluble in water. It's this form of butyric acid that has the really nasty smell. As the pH increases, more of the butyric acid is in the ionic form, which interestingly enough does not have the same putrid odor. We observed this in the laboratory already in the 1980s, where, when we increased the pH of butyric acid, the nasty smell disappeared. This pH effect was also confirmed by the excellent research on food waste composting in Scandinavia a number of years ago, where the odor from food waste compost facilities was described as increasing 10 to 1,000 times with each 1 unit decrease in pH. This is consistent with the pH effect that we are seeing with volatile fatty acids, including butyric acid. During composting, when food waste does not get enough oxygen, volatile fatty acids are produced, resulting in decreased pH. And when this low pH air leaves the compost pile, the butyric acid is in its volatile form and is really smelly. When there's more oxygen in the compost pile, the air leaving the compost pile may have a higher pH because of ammonia emission. And although butyric acid may be produced, we can't smell it because it's in its ionic form. This is good, isn't it? What happens next is all up in the air. The ammonia that's keeping the pH up is lighter than air, so it wants to keep going up. Butyric acid, which lowers the pH, is heavier than air, so it wants to go down. Given that rainwater is about pH 5, some of the butyric acid may switch back to its volatile form, which is very smelly. So that's what we smell when the air reaches our noses. This is also why the rancid or putrid smells that may sometimes be noticed near our food waste compost facilities may actually be stronger at some distance from the facility. The best strategy to manage odor remains minimizing the production of volatile fatty acids by providing adequate oxygen to the microbes. My name is John Paul. I'm a waste management scientist. Thank you.